there's nothing else. One might say composition, 2/3 karo, negative space yahan pe chodo, and so on and so forth. And I will show you those in my pictures as well, how they play a role. But at the end of the day, it is emotion. And if you have the emotion in yourself, and we all have it. But if you just take some time to just get onto that frequency and be aware of it, अगर आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा भी सोच लेंगे, तो क्या होता है जब आप अपने अच्छा आज मैंने केक बनाया, मैं फोटो लूंगी, ये कौन खाएगा, कहाँ पे खाएगा, कैसा माहौल होगा, बच्चे होंगे क्या, या एडल्ट्स हैं, या पार्टी है क्या, या जस्ट लेट्स सेलिब्रेट अ वीकेंड है क्या, सोचो, ऐसे सोचो, तो आपको क्या लगेगा, यू विल नो घर पे कहाँ पे रखूँ, ये कौन से विंडो के साइड पे रखूं, और उसके पीछे मैं क्या मूड क्रिएट करूं, क्योंकि इमोशन की वही चीज है व्हिच विल ग्रैब पीपल, बिकॉज लोग को केक नहीं खाना है, लोगों को वो फीलिंग खानी है. I want to get that dress. I want to wear that. I want to sit on that chair, or I want to eat that cake because I want to feel that. So your pictures need to have feelings.
All
Yes.
right. So can I show one of my cake pictures to you, and you can just guide me a bit? Can I do that now?
Or do you want me to run you through some work of mine, and then you can ask more informed questions?
Why not? You do that too? Yeah.
What I have done is I have carefully curated only pictures, because I'm a professional photographer. We tend to sometimes use a lot of light and so on, and a lot of technical stuff. I've only chosen pictures where I've used natural light.
Okay.
Which you can do at home, and where the ingredients and the cutlery or things, or even the food or anything, clothes.
And is it your phone? You're using your phone for it? That's like a very important thing.
So I will tell you, a lot of pictures have been taken on some pictures have been taken on a Sony, because that's what I take it on. But phones nowadays can do the same thing, and I will also run you through the Snapseed app on my phone, which can give you the same results, and I will show you that as well.
Yeah, that's really important. Thanks.
All right, lovely. So I'm gonna take you quickly through a handful of them जो मैंने clearly natural light में लिया गया है, और close environment में लिए गए हैं, जहाँ पे complete control है, और आप उसको देख के replicate कर सकते हैं.
All right, cool.
Give me a moment. I'm just getting my desktop on. Okay. It's in random order, so I'm just gonna go. So now this is for the guys who say we want to do furniture, we want to do interiors. I'm just gonna run past these to say just basic guidelines. Remember, when you take a picture of a space, it's very important where the lines. This is now talking little technical on proportions. It is very important what is in the entire picture. तो आप कभी देखेंगे, fan हमेशा should be off. Natural light from the right side of the curtains, the darker curtains are kept open, so there's a soft light coming in the day. You'll see on the left side, inside lights, interior lights I have kept on because they put a highlight. This is the presidential suite at the Grand Hyatt Goa, by the way.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay. Above the art, under the lights, in the corridor that you can see, I have left the lights on. So there are little highlights, and the upholstery glistens a bit, the vase glistens a bit. You'll also see, very important to notice when you take a picture is, left mein TV hai, right mein mirror hai. Any reflective surface that you have, be very careful what is visible in them, what is seen in them. And it's not a matter of just moving your camera a little either other, moving. You see left mein there is a lamp in my TV. That's big, that lamp wasn't there. Because it looked like a blank black screen. I just moved the lamp thoda aage on the table ताकि वो interesting लगे. अगर किसी की नजर गई तो it is also interesting. This is the attention to detail that you gave. तो जब देखते हैं तो feeling आती है कि so plush, so nice. And another thing is, you see right in the front is a couch with the cushions. Ensure there's a symmetry when you're taking your furniture, so that one is able to, and colors. These are things that you will feel instinctively when you're looking at it, depending on what your feel should be, right? And lines. ऊपर से देखो, the lines of the false ceiling that are coming through. Your lines, vanishing point is a concept that was started in the Renaissance period by artists when they first began to paint, like Botticelli and on. So what you do is you have to see that all the lines converge. Where does, अगर कोई भी vertical line हो, वो किस तरफ जा रही है? Keep an eye on it, because that will enable you to know if your picture is straight, if the balance is right. Yeah, I'm going to move on. Now for people who do basic products, okay, now suppose this is again the same hotel. Suppose आप glassware करते हो और या so if you notice यहाँ पे और ये phone पे possible है, you can put things, take a picture, and I will show you how you can blur. The candle at the back is blurred, the place at the back is blurred. It's set up for a lot of people. In the front you can see a spoon that is completely blurred. When a spoon is blurred and there is a light on top, preferably whenever you're taking these kind of pictures with reflective surfaces, keep a light on top. ऊपर का ceiling light को on करो. वो क्या करता है? Can you see on the plate little sparkles of light का dots that are soft? That comes in. So you feel very nice when you look at the picture. Always important is when you're, even if the product is just my copper glasses, to keep enough things that feel the mood, ताकि emotion feel हो. Yes?
Yeah, gorgeous.
This is for furniture people. Once you've done the earlier picture and you've done the macro of mera furniture overall kaise lagta hai, but you have detailing of how the leather is stitched, how the carving of the wood is. That is when you lie on the floor, go to an angle and do a picture like this. Now here is where you maintain what I said. Vertical lines mere straight lines kahan ja rahe hain. You see the line from the left going in, upar se line is going down. So it's converging, and where is it ending? Where the lamp is. Ensure if you have an artifact there which gives a bright source of light or some excitement there, it is not touching your product. मैंने हल्का सा लैम्प राइट में किया है ताकि वो पास में है, फ्रेम में है, मैजिक दे रहा है मुझे, पर वो टच नहीं कर रहा है. That is how you ensure detailing, so your product's beauty is there. Yeah, you can always come back and ask me questions. File, you can ask me at any time. I'm just running through things I take care of when I'm photographing.
Okay, great.
Now see, if you do upholsteries, if you do embroidery work, see how this picture happens. So what happens is I could take a straight up photograph, tight shot, and say, this is my embroidery, grey पे gold, and how beautiful Zardosi वगैरह वगैरह. But creating the थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, create the mood. वहाँ पे वो लाइट, यहाँ पे ऊपर ये हेडबोर्ड, वहाँ पे एक little warm cushion, curtains, so you know where it is, feeling आती है. And then आप वो focus phone पे, I will show you how, keep on your basic embroidery, so you're able to see this is my work, but the context of it allows me to say, where am I enjoying this? How beautiful. I want to sleep on a bed like this. Therefore, I want to buy that cushion with that embroidery. Yeah?
Okay, cool.
This is just to show you again, if you were showing just a tighter shot, agar aap cushions bech rahe ho, agar aap furniture kar rahe ho, always when you do tight shot of products against a white background for them to click on it and buy it, because all our life is online now, but also give a mood like this. Always put a mood picture. Your mood picture should be the first picture, because people, I cannot insist enough, come on mood.
Okay.
Keep this cushions piche hain, but flowers hain. Who cares? But I feel like, oh, that's a fresh looking, lovely room. I want to be part of it. Next picture, put detailed shots of how the stitch is, how the fabric is, how much the cost is, and so on. See, this is another one where I want to know if it's for the chairs. I'm just showing some more furniture pictures. Get a macro view, color coordinate. The artifacts on the table should have some marriage to what your chair color is. The background should have some kind of a contrast, so I'm able to it's able to catch my eye. Exactly how you dress up to go out in the evening. How do you choose your belt? How do you choose your necklace? How do you choose your shirt? How do you choose your shoe? It's really that. It is not rocket science. It is not another magic of branding that you need to know. It is simplified in your head and say, it's really how I dress up for dinner. And look at it and dress your product up. If you're doing an object, yeah, if you sell these kind of things where, so now you could take a picture of this tight, but keep it somewhere, upar se light hai, you will see shadow falling down. Ensure no shadows falling on your product. You know, give distance between the product and the background at large. Here I have a mirror, so the mirror is able to reflect the wall that's facing them. Usme kya hota hai? I'm able to see my product as a hero, but I'm also able to not be consumed by it and see it in isolation. I'm able to see it in a context. Yeah. This is just to show you how if you sell equipment, or if you sell a certain, this is a coffee maker again at the Ritz-Carlton, focus on one element, blur the rest out. This is all natural light. This is ambient lighting. There is no other lighting going on. Now look at this. Now, if you do, this is actually done for the bridal section of a hotel. But I brought this in because I don't have any, I've not done any lehenga Indian kind of shoot.
And we want to know the selfies also. That's very important. The selfie pose.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm told by my friends it's a 45-degree that works, but
ठीक है.
I
Okay,
think
tell me about this.
you guys are far better than me at selfies. Let me tell you. So
Okay.
what happens with, so if you're doing clothes and if you have a model, now in this, if you see, I can't really see the color of the lehenga, I can't see the calm really, but मुझे एक feeling आती है which makes me say कि yes, I want to enjoy it like this. ये क्या है? Then you go in and show
The detailing.
a
Wow.
detail. When you do a detail, and the only thing you need to take care of is, now how did I come upon this picture? I said when the bride is getting dressed, surely her lehenga is kept on a couch. पड़ी होगी ना, she will be looking at this like this. So I literally just threw it, and जैसे गिरी, जो folds आए, I decided to take a picture with it. Now again, here there is only a top light from the dressing room on the top. The one thing you have to ensure when you take a photograph like this is, because it's your fabric, that the color of it has to be correct. So once you take a picture, you'll realize phone पे ना वो purple, वो pink correct नहीं आया है. So I will show you on an app how to increase the brightness or increase the saturation, some simpler words like this, by virtue of which sure that your color is never compromised. One is able to see it is an aubergine and a fuchsia and a gold and ये काम है. Then you can show details like this, agar tassels hain to. Then you go deeper in. So what happens is, when someone's buying something online and wanting to dress up, once you've shown the overall picture of how she looks, I want her to feel, what is she touching? What does she tie her nada with? उसके end में है क्या? उसको क्या दिखेगा? किसी को नहीं दिखेगा. But people buy this and get turned off. Sometimes don't you reject an outfit because the button at the back is not so nice? Who'll see it? But it's a decision-making critical criteria.
Yeah.
So that is, so whatever you think you have, people have rejected or had, हाँ ये अच्छा है, but I wish ये नहीं था उस पे. अगर आपने लगाया है वो, उसका एक close up दिखाओ, because that then you know subconsciously is a reason why people might pick it or not pick it. And you want to go to people who are the same aesthetic as yours, and if you have thought about it, respect your design, appreciate your detailing, and own it and put it out there, because these things make a difference. Sometimes go in for your embroidery tight shot, enjoy करने दो मुझे कि क्या किया है अंदर, क्या है वो काम, because जब हम बैठेंगे और पहनेंगे, we are particular about these things, we look at these things. So this is another way of showing it. Or sometimes you don't show the face, don't show anything. This is just to enjoy the fabric ka beauty, the fall ka beauty, the stitch ka beauty. So what happens is, isme light, put a light on top, and I'll show you another light that you can order from Amazon. I'll show it to you. I have it with me, which is very simple, very cheap. It's just only $2,000, and I think everybody should just have it in their house. So
Oh,
what
lovely.
happens is, I'm able to see the lusciousness of that satin fabric. Job done. Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes if it's, see, again, this is because I want to show you the black skirt or the fabric of it. What happens, just anybody could be sitting there, they're not looking into the camera always. The moment you have models just looking into the camera and posing like that and saying that, I will swipe because मैंने बहुत देखा है. So try sometimes, it's up to you what you feel, but sometimes don't catch them in a moment, forget about it, tell them chai piyo बैठ के, and then hold it and have magic with it, literally.
Yeah.
Because हमको क्या बेचना है, what do we want for them to connect with? A moment that is true and a moment that is real. None of us, when we're dressed up, we look in the mirror once properly like that, and then we get on with our life. So how will I look, how will I feel in that? Catch a feeling. How do you catch a feeling? If you're taking a picture of somebody else in your outfit or holding your cup that you're selling, have them just relax and do their thing by a nice window where there is natural light coming in, and hold your phone and even with my professional camera, I just make them sit there and say, I play some music and I tell them do your thing, and I literally go like wildlife photography. I go with my camera like this, 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 and find my angle.
Oh,
When
lovely.
दिल से आती है, it has to, you have to be connected to yourself and be unafraid and not care for a perfect picture and just do your thing. It will also be lovely. Sometimes what I do, I try to tell my team never to do it, but because I always look at a lot of pictures of say Vogue Italy or things that I really love, because my aesthetics are more skewed there, I keep looking at things. But before a shoot, when I'm going to do it, for 3-4 days I don't look at anything,
All
because
right.
वो एवरीडे लाइफ पे अभी आप केक करते हो, केक के इमेजेस न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स का केक फूड बहुत ब्यूटीफुली फोटोग्राफ होता है, कीप लुकिंग एट देम, बट जिस दिन आप अपना शूट कर रहे हो, बंद कर दो. बिकॉज वो जहन में बैठ जाएगा, फिर आपकी जो इथॉस है वो बाहर आएगी, और वो सारी चीजें जो आपने देखी है, इट विल ऑल कम एंड हेल्प यू समवेयर सबकॉन्शियसली, एंड a culmination or a combination of subconscious things you picked up from many other places, और जो आपके फर्टाइल माइंड से निकलती है ना, वो आपकी फोटो होगी, वो आपका व्यू होगा, वो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव होगा, एंड आपकी फोटो इसीलिए अलग लगेगी, एंड बिकॉज उसमें आप होंगे एज अ फोटोग्राफर, एज अ क्रिएटर.
All right.
So another thing that you can do is, this is again natural light. I just pulled it out because I did for somebody right here. Because I'm trying to just ensure that I'm strictly keeping it to places that you can replicate. दूर से एक फोटो लिया ऐसे, पास का एक और लो, बिल्कुल पास का दिखाओ, ताकि इसमें I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's linen और फैब्रिक का वीव दिखता है. So उनको फीलिंग दो, डिटेल दिखाओ, और जो चीज आपको सच्ची में दे शुड फील की छू,
Wow.
वो दे दो उनको.
No,
So
but this is lovely.
you do stuff like this. And क्या किया है, कुछ नहीं, ब्लैंक वॉल है, वहां से सनलाइट का एक लाइन आ रहा है. इंश्योर वो बोरिंग ना हो जाए, मेक हर स्टैंड लिटिल बिट इन द सन. सन कटेगा तो फैब्रिक का एक सीन दिखता है, एंड देन क्लोज अप करके डिटेल स्टिचिंग दिखा दिया. सी, this just front back. I'm assuming people make salwar kameezes a lot and stuff like that, which is why I put this picture in. Very simple things. Now food. For food,
Okay.
so this is usually when I'm shooting for other people, and then I see things जो ingredients चाहिए होती हैं वो आ जाती हैं, so they're lying around, and then I start just taking little black and white mood pictures because I feel like it. And I must tell you, always do ingredient shots of your final food before you make it. Always do it, because when you say how to make this, or this is how I did it, or you want to get a feeling of it, always put this, because it just looks visually appealing, it draws people in, and there is an artistic value to it where you enjoy your own work. So your work, when you see on a page, looks really beautiful. Your final cake is there, some fresh cream is there, some strawberries are lying there. बड़ा मजा आता है देख के.
Oh, lovely. That's a good idea. Yeah.
See tomatoes. If you're making, suppose these are cherries because you're a cake maker. Imagine
Yeah.
seeing cherries like this, or a bowl of cherries like this in the side. How pretty that looks. And then I see the cake, and I want to eat the berries. I want to eat those tomatoes. You've already got me into feeling it's all edible. You've already made me hungry. Then you've got me closer to the decision of ordering your food.
Yeah, that's an amazing idea.
So now I'll tell you this image, very simple. Okay, now this is some dessert, right? And it's fried stuff. It's got some sugar powder on it, and it's got this thing flowing. Now I'll tell you how this image happens very simply at home. पीछे जो आपको lights, सुना पीछे black background है, correct?
Yeah.
I want that background to be black because I want my product which is brown in color to show, and I want it to look edible. तो पीछे अगर मैं plain black करती और ये सिर्फ chocolate syrup ऐसे गिर रहा है, बहुत boring है, बहुत नेगेटिव स्पेस है, बहुत डार्क है. तो मैंने क्या किया, पीछे, बहुत पीछे, विच इज 2 फीट दूर या 3 फीट दूर, मैंने 2 वाइन ग्लास रखे. वाइन ग्लास के पीछे मैंने फेरी लाइट्स है ना, दिवाली के फेरी लाइट्स,
Yeah.
तो जला के पीछे ग्लास के पीछे रख दिया. तो जब मैं कैमरा करती हूँ और मैं फोकस करती हूँ इस पे, तो पीछे वो फेरी लाइट्स ग्लास के थ्रू मुझे ये ऐसे शाइनी शाइनी ग्लिमर्स दे रही हैं. हाउ सिंपल.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, nothing. And the base is just a wooden base. These two things here. Now you decide, do you want to keep one? एक अकेला मन करता है, मैं अकेले खा रही हूँ, बहुत दुखी हूँ, तो मैं 2 रखती हूँ ताकि लगे कि companionship है, community feeling है. And then what do I do? When I'm drawing, now the chocolate is dropping. Do you see all these little lights, highlights जो हम बोलते हैं photography में, lights जो chocolate दे रही हैं? कुछ भी नहीं. अगर आपके पास light नहीं है, आप किसी को बोलो फोन पे लाइट, फोन का टॉर्च ऑन करो और ऐसे पकड़ लो.
Oh, wow.
आप रेगुलर टॉर्च यूज कर लो, और अगर बहुत पास जाओगे तो बहुत ऐसा बॉडी से बर्न हो जाएगा, जल जाएगा. थोड़ा पीछे खड़े हो जाओ, चलो हेल्प टू स्टैंड, थोड़ा पीछे, एंड वो शाइन आपको दिखेगा. जहाँ पे शाइन दिखे उनको बोलो रुक जाइए. तो मैंने जहाँ पे चॉकलेट पोर किया है, मैंने वहां पर भी एक शाइन मारा था.
Yeah, there's a shine there. Yeah.
So it doesn't look dull against a black background while it's falling down and shining. Simple, very easy. Now, if you notice, uh, how do we keep a product in the right in the middle? How do we keep it in the left? How do we keep it in the right? That is your individual style. It all works. कभी बीच में अच्छा लगता है, कभी left में अच्छा लगता है. I like negative space because I feel I want to draw people in. जब मैं product को straight बीच में देती हूँ, कभी it works, and I'll show you where. It's nice. But sometimes when there's a little bit of magic and a little light in the back, it all adds a certain excitement for me to draw my eye from all that emptiness and go and look at this. Yes. Now this is again, suppose it's you make food and it's homemade. So I haven't brought the very photographs of very crafted, curated chefs that I work with. I'm bringing pictures here which are literally what you can do. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
या सो इट्स समथिंग दैट घर पे हो सकता है एंड दिखता है. इसमें देखिए पूरी प्लेट दिखाएंगे तो स्टोरी आउट हो गया, मजा नहीं आया. अगेन मैंने क्या किया, आई मूव्ड इट आउटसाइड ताकि इनफ 3/4 एरिया में एक ब्लैंक स्पेस हो. एंड देन अगर फूड लगी है, आप व्हाई डज दिस फूड लुक अलाइव, बिकॉज वो पोमोग्रेनेट पे, वो कैप्सिकम पे एक हाईलाइट गिर रही है. ऑलवेज वॉच फॉर योर हाईलाइट्स. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, मैंने ऊपर की लाइट ऑन की तो ऊपर से लाइट गिरी तो वो पोमोग्रेनेट शाइन किया. तो अभी क्या होता है, ऊपर से जब लाइट आती है तो नीचे पूरा शैडो हो जाता है. सो प्लेट का जो शैडो अंदर गिर रहा है वो मुझे डेप्थ दे रहा है. इट्स गिविंग मी अ नाइस डायमेंशन, सो आई लाइक इट. बट लेफ्ट में जो कॉर्न गिरा हुआ है प्लेट पे और जो 2 पत्ते हैं उस पे भी शैडो गिर रहा था, विच आई डिडंट एंजॉय. खाना डार्क लग रहा है, मजा नहीं आ रहा था, एपेटाइजिंग नहीं लग रहा था. तो मैंने क्या किया, कुछ भी नहीं, एक टॉर्च पकड़ो, लेफ्ट से लाइट डाल दो. तो मेरा लेफ्ट एरिया ब्राइट हो गया और वहां पे वो कॉर्न पे एक थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट मिल गया, ऊपर की लाइट ने हाईलाइट दी, बाकी डार्क में गया और ब्लैक में गया, नो प्रॉब्लम, सिंपल. नाउ because you're entrepreneurs, what is also interesting is if you put a finger in it, put an element into it, suddenly it feels alive, suddenly it feels more human, suddenly it feels more engaging. जैसे कि अभी बनी है और प्यार से बनाया है और मैंने अपने हाथ से बनाया है. It feels that you have made it with your own hand and with love, and that it's, so if I ordered with you, even if it's a cake and you're putting a cherry on it, it means you will do it just the way I love it. And subconsciously you're sending these messages out, and these messages are powerful messages for people to want to order your stuff.
Wow.
White, another important thing. If you have anything white, cream on top, white is a tricky thing to shoot because white dull lagne lagta hai. So always when you are looking, like I said for fabric, always look at the color. In food, agar food में कुछ भी white हो ना, उस पे ध्यान देना कि white का color grey में नहीं जा रहा हो, eggshell में नहीं जा रहा हो, which whatever is acceptable for you. That white is the one that you need to keep in mind. तो अगर white के लिए curtain थोड़ा और खोलो, थोड़ा और फूड को घुमाओ ताकि लाइट थोड़ी और गिरे उस पे. व्हाइट पे ध्यान रखना, बाकी everything else just looks luscious. It's all right. Yeah. Some of food pictures of how you can dress up your pictures. अभी ये prawn है suppose. How do you decide? So you say, okay, can I keep it in a shell? Again, पीछे you see I've done that. अभी ये daylight में shoot हुआ है, तो मुझे fairy lights की जरूरत नहीं थी. मैंने पीछे सिर्फ wine glass रखी है. Wine glass, sun rays were affecting it, and I got those little round beautiful things at the back that gave me depth. पीछे कुछ plants थे, उसमें से वो green आ गया, वो सब out of focus चला गया beautifully. मैंने सामने एक करी पत्ता रखा है ऐसे, पीछे एक ये 2 prawns के orange colors हैं, उसको break करने के लिए पीछे एक करी पत्ता रखा, and थोड़ा सामने एक और shell रखा ताकि ये इधर blank ना लग रहा हो. So you feel कि ये मेरे सामने पड़ा है, plate आई है, and I'm going to go eat it. Simple. Again, take care of the white, and that's it. Now if you see here, I've compromised a bit on the white. Coconut in the previous one, I wanted it pure white because the salad and should be fresh. This is cooked prawns, so I'm willing to let it go a little beige. I'm willing to let it go a little bit more warm. That compromise I'm willing to do because it is not taking away from the edibility of the food. Yes.
Okay.
This is again just to show you how white. Now this is some kheer. Now it's the sesame seeds or ye jeera, natural light. It is kept on a dining table next to a window. Now the light, if your product is here, yeah, लाइट को हम हमेशा साइड से देते हैं, साइड से देते हैं या पीछे से देते हैं. तो क्या होता है कि जो व्हेन इट कम्स, सी राइट साइड पूरा ब्राइट है, शाइन है, हाईलाइट है, वो पाइनएप्पल पे नाइस ग्लिसन है, और बट यू लुक एट द लेफ्ट पाइनएप्पल, डल है बिकॉज लाइट राइट से आ रही है और ये थोड़ा सा डल हो गया. कोई बात नहीं, it looks edible, and so I'm willing to let the right side का pineapple go a little burnt, थोड़ा जल गया, कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे पूरी फीलिंग टोटलिटी में मिल रही है क्योंकि थोड़े मैंने पाइनएप्पल्स शेड में भी रखी है, एंड वो पत्ता शाइन करता है. ब्यूटीफुल. ब्यूटीफुल मीनिंग मैं खुद ही बोल रही हूँ, बट
नहीं, it's beautiful.
Again, sometimes when you keep white, I keep ensuring that I talk enough about white because I know how white होता है, white बहुत tricky होता है, इसलिए please ensure there are other colors in it. सपोज मैंने व्हाइट टेबल क्लॉथ पे मैंने व्हाइट प्रोडक्ट रखा, उसके ऊपर मैंने जरूर से आई मेड श्योर मैंने रेड डाला, ग्रीन लीव्स डाले, और थोड़ा ये ड्रमस्टिक सूप है तो मैंने एक ड्रमस्टिक साइड में रखा ताकि इनफ कलर कॉन्ट्रास्ट मिले ताकि मैं व्हाइट को एंजॉय कर पाऊँ. नाउ डिटेलिंग क्या होती है, when I kept that drumstick on the left. Yeah, this is just to tell you how styling works. When I keep drumstick on the left, और आप ये किसी भी ingredient के साथ कर सकते हैं with your cakes or with desserts, whatever.
हाँ.
Now I've left some of it to go outside the frame. पूरी drumstick नहीं दिख रही है, right? But मैंने ये angle और ये placement of drumstick क्यों choose किया? How did I decide it? Because you see the reflection on the glass. I wanted glass पे जो दिख रहा हो वो beautiful हो. तो glass पे उसका tip दिख रहा है और दूसरा दिख रहा है. तो वो always look reflective surfaces. So when you look into the camera, your phone camera, always see मुझे क्या क्या दिख रहा है और वो beautiful कहाँ लग सकता है. तो अगर मैं थोड़ा बाहर करती तो वो tip of the drumstick would have come to the top. Reflection would have come to the top of the glass. मजा नहीं आया because मुझे glass पे मुझे कोई distraction नहीं चाहिए. वो मेरे product के लिए चाहिए. तो ये simple चीजें जो होती हैं, it livens up. Also, what you do is whenever you do a product shot and you have ingredients at the side to style it, they don't look fresh and they don't look beautiful like this. No, naturally, basic kit होता है. और if you YouTube करोगे तो बहुत beautiful videos हैं. How to shoot cake, how to shoot this, and there are a lot of people doing a lot of detailed work on it, which I suggest that everybody does. Simple things to keep with you is glycerine. Yeah? Okay. Buy glycerin in the market. Makeup brushes, your eyeshadow brushes, you get those packets.
Yeah.
And all of that. So the drumstick पे I will keep पानी लगाऊंगी, dry करूंगी, then I'll put a little glycerine on it. So even if you see my capsicum पुराना वाला or my tomatoes, it all has. You can never eat food after food styling. They're not edible at all. You have to put glycerine on it. तो वो जो light आ रही है हल्की सी भी sunlight को पकड़ लेती है जल्दी से. Glass जब करोगे be very careful. You have to put it in steam. Steam में लगाया, निकाला, ताकि lynch ना हो उस पे, fingerprints ना हो. All these अगर ये glass पे एक भी fingerprint होता, you would get
it's going to show
gone. And you would can't show, but once you put the picture up, it will be there, and it will just not look professional enough. So I would recommend everybody keep glycerin, diluted olive oil. So the reason why I wanted all the attention on my food here, and the food is white and it's bland, which is why I didn't put olive oil on this particular drumstick. Otherwise, if it's a darker mood, I put olive oil. Olive oil shines beautifully, but always put olive oil not with your hand, not with kapda, and not drop it directly, but earbuds. Or earbud kabhi lint chhodta hai. So buy that sponge eyeshadow thing and keep it in your kit. Yeah. And also what you do is you get those little sponges, you know, the sponges, again, it's a makeup thing. You get those sponges even for your rouge and stuff like that. You always keep them, a small packet milti hai with little pieces cut. So kabhi mujhe ये ऊपर का जो drumstick रखा है वो वैसे बैठ नहीं रहा था. So I put double-sided tape and stick these two together so they sit right there. Then I put a little bit of that sponge at the back ताकि मुझे वो height वैसे चाहिए जैसे मुझे चाहिए. And also, whenever you're doing food photography, product photography that is so tight, you have to always wear gloves. There is no way that your fingerprint can come on anything, not on the table, not on your product, not on the ingredients. Always wear the medicinal gloves that you get at the chemist shop. See the glass. Now, this is where I'm telling you, fingerprints nahi hone chahiye. If you see all this reflection, it's very important to look at all of that. Yeah, that's why it was kept there. See again. Now, this was taken in the house randomly. I was eating it.
Wow. Lovely.
ये phone पे ली गई है, randomly ली गई है because my friend made it and she poured this on top. Now, it's not, on the left is a little candle. कुछ नहीं है और ग्लास टेबल है. ग्लास टेबल में थोड़ा रिफ्लेक्शन नीचे आ गया. अब ये जो ड्रिप है ऊपर से, I wanted to drip it and immediately take a picture. The drip comes down lusciously like that. बस. And इसमें if you see it's a cheesecake, I have compromised the color of the cheesecake जो ज़्यादा white होती है. I let it go more creamy and more beige because मेरी पूरी picture की feeling warm है. I want to feel कि candlelight में बैठे हैं और dinner है and magic हो रहा है. So I'm willing to compromise. That's a choice you take because you want to always make sure the mood is right without compromising the product too much.
All right. Maria, sorry, I'm cutting you. Can we take a few questions or you want to go on with a few more pictures?
I can run past. I won't talk too much.
Because we have less of time.
Okay, you know what?
Do you have something with makeup? Because we have a lot of makeup artists who would like to know. We'll put them on board and we can ask them to ask.
I'm going to stop share this and let's get back to the chat.
Yeah? Okay. So I think Shivangi was the one who wanted to ask you something. Vrinda, can you please put Shivangi with us? Shivangi. She had a few questions. Yeah. I think she's unmute. Yeah. Shivangi?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hi, Maria.
Hi, Shivangi. How
Can you
lovely.
see me?
Yes, I can.
All right, so I'm a makeup artist, and you know, this industry really works on how your photos come out because that's what the client sees on your portfolio and decides that they want to go ahead with you. So I've done a little, I did a photography course about 10 years back from Bangalore. So I'd bought a camera, which I still have, but I don't use it because all my clients are in such a hurry. So I'm left with no options but to use my iPhone 10. Can you please give me some solid suggestions as to how a photo, a makeup photo should look, and
You're frozen, darling.
how can I make I have a ring light too. Okay, I have a ring light too. So in particular, you know, it has you know, this 200K to 5,500K and 10% to 100%. I have no idea how to operate it, so I try and just adjust it in my studio however I can, and I take pictures. So is there any solid advice you have for this? How to use
So
this?
you're a makeup artist?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So you're a makeup artist, and brides come to you. Is it brides usually, or is it just
everybody?
going for a party?
Yeah, so it's makeup. You know, bride. Yes, it is a bridal studio.
Okay. Now your ring light is a fantastic thing because now the thing with the ring light is when you put a ring light in front of me, for example, मेरी photo ले रहे हो, you've dressed me up, right?
Right.
So switch off every light in the room because
right.
light is a magic machine. You have a stand for your ring light?
I do.
Lovely. So you're not even holding it. You
No.
keep the ring light in front of me and you put your camera, your phone inside the ring.
Okay.
So what happens is the ring will fall directly. Correct. Right? Yeah. Preferably light facing me.
Right.
So what happens is you will see the ring light in my eye, by virtue of which eyes will pop any which ways. Right? Now you will have to try now on your depending on the skin, how dark the person is, how light the person is, and so on. You'll be able to tell kitna ek jo button aapka hai right pe, that is your intensity of the light. And the left button is for the warmth. Some like tungsten and jade, थोड़ा warm orange glow आता है. So because अगर आप beauty shots ले रहे हो, always keep it towards a warmer light, yellowish light, because makes the skin look more honey, makes the skin look more rich. Even if the person wants to look very fair, आपने already makeup कर दिया, and I'm assuming आपने उनको pancake fair कर दिया है, तो आप I know what you guys do, I know it. So and then you just make it slightly warm, so skin में ना एक orangish feel आती है, which just highlights the face beautifully. Now, the critical part of where the light is on how the person looks lovely is top light here. अगर मैं इधर हूँ, इधर कैमरा हो, हाँ इधर, क्या देखना है, shadows कहाँ गिर रही हैं. जब लाइट यहाँ से, एंड आपका रिंग लाइट स्टैंड पे आप ऐसे रिंग लाइट रख के आप उसको से टिल्ट भी कर सकती हैं, बिकॉज अगर आप मॉडल को बिठाओ, ओके, बिकॉज आपको फेस लेना है, कपड़े नहीं लेने हैं. ओके, आप मॉडल को खड़ा करोगे, आपकी हाइट कहाँ है, उनकी हाइट कहाँ है, उसने यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, यू कांट कंट्रोल इट. So always remember, maybe 48 degrees. Okay. Hi babies. So
that's my baby.
Model and take pictures of yours as bride if you don't go away right now. So it's 45 degrees this way or this way or this way, depending on how my face is. Okay. What you will look at is जब light यहाँ से गिर रही हो 45 degrees पे, यहाँ पे nose का shadow कितना आ रहा है. Just the height of the light, depending, model को बिठाया, अभी आप you can see yourself. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see shadow falling on your right side of your nose a little bit? Yeah. And can you, which is all right. Can you see the shadow under your nose nostril? बहुत कम है. That is allowed. अगर लाइट और ऊपर गई थोड़ी सी, तो shadow बढ़ जाएगा. So the moment you have to adjust the light, you are only looking at the shadow under the nose, because जब shadow under the nose बहुत कम होगा, what that will ensure is अगर person model में under eye है, puffiness है, वो भी नहीं दिखेगा. अभी ये लाइट मेरे यहाँ आ रही है, अगर मैं ऐसे बैठूंगी, आपको मेरे अंडर आई दिखेंगे ही नहीं. अगर मैं ऐसे आपको
right, yes.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Yes, I don't have under eyes.
You can
What do
see
you mean?
it.
Yeah.
I can see the concealer.
Yeah. See this? See this light. See what's happening?
Right.
इसमें shadow पड़ गया. तो मेरा मुंह ऊपर किया. अभी आप इतना ऊपर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इतना ऊपर करेंगे तो आपको मेरी फेस नहीं मिलेगी, आंखें बंद हो जाएंगी. आपने मस्कारा लगाया है, आईज को बिग किया है. So you make me sit like this and I look at you like that. See what happens? Light is there, under eye is gone, eyes are open.
Okay.
Another thing, when the model, suppose आप बोलोगे, suppose model के यहाँ पे zit है,
Okay.
या nose इतना sharp नहीं है. Nose is a critical factor because आपका mouth आप draw कर दोगे, जैसे भी mouth है, you will draw it, it will look great. Eyes जैसे भी हैं, you will contour the cheeks, it will look great. Nose is something that you कितना भी contour करो, वो एक गड़बड़ एरिया है. आप नजर रखना कि nose का angle best कहाँ लग रहा है. ये किसी का अगर sharp nose है तो straight भी ले लो, थोड़ा इधर, थोड़ा इधर.
Okay, that's a great tip. I'll keep that in mind. So you're saying make sure the nose looks perfect and then try and take your picture.
As a makeup artist, you would have anyway contoured her cheeks. The eyes,
Right.
has all insecurity and body image issues.
Okay, just one more question. Can you talk about any one good application which gives you natural filters or makes your camera even better in an iPhone?
So I
application you're like, this is fantastic, or one or two things that you're like, have that in your hand all the time, because I'm in such a hurry, kids, brides are always getting late, people are always running late, I have no time to take pictures.
So Baba, once you put your light like this, take care of shadow and nose, na? I'm telling you, don't even think about anything, just go catch and just take a photo and forget it, and then you come home और app पे beautiful कर देंगे. तो उस वक्त makeup artist को time नहीं है ना, but the model doesn't have time, your client doesn't have time. Just take care of the shadow, take care of the nose, and just take the picture blindly. Just one more thing before I tell you about the app. Remember, अगर आपने model का face इधर turn किया है, the eyeball should never be at the corner.
Okay.
Eyeball जहाँ पर भी गया हो, थोड़ा white space उसके बाद चाहिए, नहीं तो अजीब. Just remember that. You then just take pictures like this. Forget it. Then you come home and then there is this application called Snapseed.
Can I see it? I can't see it. I need to know that. I can't see it. What did you say?
Snapseed.
Snapseed.
S-E-E-D. Snapseed.
Snap.
S-N-A-P-S-E-E-D.
Yeah.
So this application is for everybody, for all of us.
Yes.
What does it look like? What is the application?
Changi, it's a green color.
Oh.
I think it's a marijuana leaf, but.
Okay, or marijuana.
It's this.
Somebody who's a mother knows marijuana or not. My work is too hectic. I need these things. So in this application, darling. So जब आप makeup करते हो, photo डालते हो ना, उनके कपड़े जैसे या body नहीं हो, there is a filter, there is an application, नीचे tools हैं, tools में blur है.
I wanted to know about that.
Use blur liberally. You can tap on my nose and increase or decrease the blur radius. तो मेरे अगर गंदा सा दुपट्टा है, झूठी, blur it all off. सिर्फ mouth, कभी उसकी 2-3 फोटोज रख रहे हो, सिर्फ mouth को कर दो, सिर्फ eyes को कर दो, depending on वो जहाँ पे beautiful है. हाँ, and बाकी और vignette है उसपे. Vignette मतलब it gives a nice dark feeling around.
Oh.
So just explore that app, lens blur, vignette, and
One second, vignette.
I'm going to write it down.
Can you spell vignette for me?
Vignette. I know the French.
P-P-E, okay.
Vignette. Vignette. Have I spelled it correct? I don't know. I think it is.
Yeah, that's fine.
Broadly, that spelling.
Okay, and which is
I'm doing it on the side.
Sorry, darling.
Which is the third one you spoke about? There's Snapseed, Vignette, and the third one is?
इसमें first में जब आप tools में जाएंगे ना, there is a basic.
Oh, these are the tools.
You're not able to see the screen?
I can.
So suppose I tap and I take up this food shot, for example.
Right, yes.
नीचे tools हैं. मैंने tools पे दबाया. Tools में मुझे और मैं lens blur पे गई. Lens blur ने बोला कि मरिया यहाँ पे touch करो, and then ऊपर blue line आती है कि मेरा lens blur का intensity कितना चाहिए. तो उसके साथ ये पूरा मैं See, completely blur कर सकती हूँ. See.
Right.
You can blur out her clothes, you can blur out her head. If you want to accentuate आंखें बहुत beautiful है, मस्कारा दिख रहा है ऐसे, उस पे impact रखो और बाकी soft कर दो, हल्का सा blur कर दो, कोई बात नहीं. Because people will look and say, oh, I want to feel like that. कोई नहीं देख रहा है कि exactly कितनी contouring की है. You just have to make them look pretty. Then basic में tools में पहला वाला right on the left is tune. Right. That is the first one you go.
Tune image, yeah.
Okay.
इसमें नीचे आपको एक स्लाइडर दिखेगा, आप उसको प्रेस करेंगे. सॉरी हाँ,
right, I can see it, yes.
उसमें आपको मिलेंगे ब्राइटनेस. ब्राइटनेस, कंट्रास्ट में क्या होगा, स्किन एंड लिपस्टिक कलर का शार्पनेस मिलेगा. फिर सैचुरेशन, यू वांट टू मेक इट लुक मोर पम्प्ड, और यू वांट टू मेक इट यूजुअली, और यू वांट टू मेक इट लुक मोर लाइटर. दैट इज व्हाट सैचुरेशन डज. हाइलाइट्स डज, ये लाइट लगाया ना आपने, रिंग लाइट, अभी आप खुद के फेस को देखिए, एक सनलाइट गिर रहा है और आंख के नीचे एक बर्न हो रहा है. दैट्स कॉल्ड, हाँ जल रहा है ना, जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट ऐसा बर्न्स नहीं आ रहे हो. तो अगर हल्का सा आ गया तो आप ये हाईलाइट को कम कर दोगे तो वो सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाई हाईलाइट्स. देन देयर इज शैडोज. अगर अभी भी मेरे थोड़ा सा डार्क है, अभी ऐसा शैडो है, शैडो को थोड़ा कम कर दो, स्लाइडर पे खेल लो थोड़ा सा, और even that will get softened a little bit. Yeah. And
thank you so much, Maria. I'm going to explore that for sure. I have a bright tomorrow.
Thank you, Shivangi.
Thank you so much, Maria.
Thank you. Maria, can we take somebody else too?
Yeah. Please.
All right. She's a jewelry designer, Charu. Vrinda, can you please unmute her? Yeah, she's unmuted. Charu, can you see us?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Maria.
We can't see you. Switch on your video, please.
Yes, please. Okay.
You're quite gorgeous, Payal.
Sorry?
Quite gorgeous.
Hi.
Hi, Charu.
Hi, Maria. How are you?
Hi, darling. Thank you.
Maria, I'm into diamond jewelry business, and I have a retailing store in Delhi as well as in Amritsar. So by the time, as we all know, that we have been, following this social distancing and the retailing stores, and it's very difficult to, convince a customer to come over, and everything is all safe, and, we are taking precautions. Still, like, under this industry, we would really like to know how can we, photograph or put our products online so that people convince, easily, yes, the product, they get the confidence to buy the product. So I want to make an online appearance more influential rather than being with the customer every day.
Are you on Instagram?
Yeah, I am.
So that is one short place that you can enter and give it to people, and you can go in. Now you want to ask me with regard to the presence online, or you want to ask me with regard to how do you showcase your product?
Basically, how to showcase my product. How to,
what
hello?
Do you make, sweetheart?
Yeah, I actually make diamond jewelry like these.
Julia, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear. It's stunning.
Yeah, and some of the earrings like these.
Beautiful, show me. Okay, now, darling, just put this back on. Put it on it. Just fix the earring back and show me that thing. Bring it forward. Bring that stand. Okay. Upar karo, if I can see it, darling.
Just show the stand, huh?
Now, come. Charu, just say something so you are big. Charu, just say something. Say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Great, because then you come on the screen. So right. Now I like your little stand. It's beautiful. Do you see, even when you're holding it to me, see what's happening to your diamonds? Do you see how they're shining? Now, like I was saying, in food, white is important. In diamond, to take care of. In stone is what is reflecting on it. So your job is now for you particularly, darling. Let me show you this LED light. ये आप Amazon पे order कर दो. Okay. जब तक Amazon नहीं डिलीवर कर रहा है, सपोज आप टॉर्च यूज करो, ठीक है? अगर आपके पास है और टॉर्च पे वाइट लाइट है, हाँ, वेरी सिंपल, थोड़ा क्रीम कलर का या ऑरेंजिश कलर का दुपट्टा या न्यूज और या पेपर, क्राफ्ट पेपर, बटर पेपर आता है ना, ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर, उसको टॉर्च के ऊपर लगा दो, आपको एक वार्म फीलिंग आएगी। अगर ये डायमंड है, मुझे येलो में नहीं जाना है बिकॉज मुझे क्लैरिटी दिखानी है, तो आप राइट, तो आप टॉर्च पे एक सॉफ्ट व्हाइट मसलिन कपड़ा लगा दो, वो टॉर्च का इंटेंसिटी कम हो जाएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा टिल यू कैन ऑर्डर। दिस इज $2000, comes with a battery. See baby what it does.
And what's the name of this light?
गूगल एलईडी लाइट हजारों है ना, ये एलईडी लाइट ऐसे आएगी। हाँ सिंपल, और इसका इसका इंटेंसिटी कम कर सकते हैं, इसको इसको आप कलर बदल सकते हैं, व्हाइटिश डायमंड कर रहे हो तो व्हाइट पे रखना, व्हाइट को टंगस्टन या डे लाइट बोलते हैं फोटोग्राफी में। कुछ और ज्वेलरी कर रहे हो तो आप गोल्ड कर रहे हो तो आप येलो पे जा सकते हैं, वो वार्म वार्म लाइट देती है। तो दिस सिंपल थिंग यू कैन कीप इन योर हैंड, समबडी कैन होल्ड इट फॉर यू, ये तो आप लोग ऑर्डर कर ही लो। नाउ the beauty of it is because yours is jewelry, and I like that particular stand. I like what it looks like. Even your other necklace, satin, a very beautiful stand. It's a great thing. You just need to get yourself black satin.
Okay.
Black satin kapda. Now, तो अगर आपके ज्वेलरी पे रूबीज हैं और डायमंड्स हैं, तो इंश्योर कोई भी और रंग ना हो। अगर आप ग्रीन रखोगे या रेड रखोगे, they will die. There's no contrast. So ideally, you can even have your entire theme as मेरे फोटोज जब मैं देखती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे, पूरे ब्लैक सैटिन बैकग्राउंड पे, और ब्लैक सैटिन को नीटली मत रखना, क्रश करके रखना। हाँ, जस्ट क्रश इट।
Got it. Yeah.
ऐसा तो वेव्स, जैसे ओशन के वेव्स हो वैसे वेव्स हो सैटिन पे, टेबल पे सैटिन रखना। हाँ, just crush it a bit and just keep your stand on top of it. Ensure exactly how I was telling the girl who does makeup, you keep your light at a 45 degree and you will keep adjusting it till you feel हाँ एक शाइन आ रहा है। जो स्पार्कल आती है ना, जैसे कॉलगेट का टूथ का स्पार्कल, we don't want that because that will kill my other stones and it will not,
Right.
you do that and you just take a picture, and all of it can be just on black satin with the stand and the jewelry lying there. Now that will be your main picture, but you as a jewelry person, and your setting is so important, the clarity of the stone is so important to look at when I'm buying something, and the size of it is so important, right? So what you do, so what you do is you have a carousel. Instagram में carousel होता है ना, 3-4 photographs post करोगे तो they can go right, yeah. In the next one, you have to definitely do one where you go tight. Like I had shown you there, tomatoes. I went tighter on tomatoes. So if अगर मेरी setting है, suppose ये ring है मेरी setting, right? तो आपने ऐसी photo ले ली, हाँ मेरा green shine कर रहा है and it's beautiful. But then I want you to hold it like this, take it off the stand, put it on the black fabric, and give me a tight shot with your अरे कहाँ हूँ मैं? हाँ, with the camera right here, ताकि मुझे ये claws दिखे, मुझे ये setting दिखे, setting की and that will be a telling point for me. Then if you have a good hand model, the third or fourth picture, एक तो आप stone का color दिखाने के लिए करो sizing, एक तो आप हाँ, एक आप setting के लिए करो, setting का हमेशा side से होना चाहिए, and you will know as a person which jewelry requires which setting to be showcased more. So
a lot,
that you will have a better understanding of. And also the fourth one, if you can allow, if you have a nice hand model or a, there's somebody with a nice set of hands for a ring or earring, go to a tight shot, because what that does is it gives me the proportion कि हाँ कितना बड़ा है। Otherwise आप earrings or rings मुझे blankly white पे black पे दिखाएंगे, I don't know कितना बड़ा है, maybe I want a cocktail ring and I want to know how big is it. So it's always nice to put a body shot in the fourth picture. So the first,
I have one more question, sorry to interrupt you. Like I clicked this picture of mine, this was something I created by myself. This was the ring. I myself did not know how to make it so attractive that I get an order on it. So can you please suggest, because I just clicked it in a very simple way.
Baby, this is firstly, the design is exceptional. Okay, let me tell you what is right about this image. It's a phenomenal design, well done, like it's really outrageously beautiful. Two, what I like about it is, and you must confirm this, hold it a little higher. Yeah, what you must confirm for me is, have you got the color of the stone right? The color looks beautiful. Is that the color of the stone? Perfect.
Yes, it is.
Well done. What is lovely about it is, you see the highlight on it. There, tap your phone. You see the say something, Charu. Say hello. So you're back on my screen.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So what I also love about the image is you've got the highlight right. Stone ke upar Brinda Sinha S has started screen sharing. I've lost you. Okay, lovely. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Okay,
she's just...
beautiful, Brinda. Okay. Now I love the highlight that you've got. वो जो white colors दिख रहे हैं ना, वो बहुत beautiful हैं. Now the detailing of the birds. I'm assuming there are birds now, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the word.
Okay, this is an exceptional design. Now I'll tell you what is not working in the image. Unlike the other photographs I was talking about, this one should be completely against a plain background. The moment you have all those lights shining at the back, some objects at the back, I can't see the detailing of the bird's wings. मेरे को तो दिख भी नहीं रहा है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, and आपका जो second ऊपर वाला bird है, in your design, is it touching the flower? Is it touching the stone? Is it
Yeah, the
connected?
second one is touching the top of the stone.
Okay, lovely. Now, this, I am okay. Okay, if you're going to use a hand, maybe your manicure has to be spot on. Okay, otherwise you can't. And I mean, cuticle perfection has to be, I'm being brief
Correct.
now because this
That's
is...
why I asked you. I took this picture. I chose this picture.
अच्छा, अभी suppose आपने ऐसे photo लिया, how to improve this very picture, for example.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
You go to that Snapseed. Firstly, background को please वो black satin कर लो आप. हाँ, make that your theme. I think it will work very well for the stuff you're doing. Suppose आप black कर लेते हो और पीछे आपने ये LED light लगाया, या ये जो natural light अभी भी गिर रही हैं वो भी अच्छी हैं, और आपने यही hand से photo लिया, आप lens blur में जाके tap on your product and आपके हाथ को blur कर दो और या हाथ पे विनियट डाल दो. तो ये अगर क्यूटिकल्स थोड़े ऑफ भी हैं, you can cover it up. It doesn't matter because we always can't get it all perfect all the time, you know. So that's how you cheat on it. Now, when you are taking a picture of this, like I said, the moment you remove the background and make it plain, we will be able to focus on your bird's detailing. Now, the top bird, because it's a diamond-studded bird, I do not ideally want, because the top of my bird का body वो बहुत white wash ऐसा plain सा हो गया, मुझे वो stone feeling नहीं आ रही है.
नहीं आ रही है. Right. Yeah.
तो वो तो अगर सपोज आपने बोला नहीं मैं वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज मुझे मेरे सामने वाले बर्ड पे मैं स्टड्स बहुत प्यार से दिखा दूंगी तो मेरा पॉइंट हो जाएगा. देन इन विच केस यू आर गोइंग टू होल्ड दैट लाइट इन द फ्रंट ऑफ इट ताकि दैट एलईडी लाइट थोड़ा लोअर ताकि ये बॉडी फ्रंट बर्ड के बॉडी पे मुझे मेरे स्टड्स दिखें. सो आई एम एबल टू सी एंड देन अज्यूम कि ऊपर वाला थोड़ा बर्न भी हो गया तो ये स्टोरी चल रही है. So summarize, blur of the hands, yeah. Have a plain background. Ensure that your light is falling 45 degrees, and you keep turning the light. So somebody else has to do the light bit for you, and somebody else is holding it because you have to take care of the camera. You can't hold and take because if you want it perfectly, then have somebody hold it. Then when you throw a highlight, I love the highlight ideally that is at the bottom of the big stone, which is all looking like, you know, shimmers. ऊपर का जो light का एक burn हो रहा है ना ऐसा triangle shape में, try and avoid that. The moment you use the natural light ऊपर से आ रही है ना from the room, right?
Right.
So which is why. So just ensure that ऐसा blank spots मुझे नहीं मिल रहे हो. And the moment you put a 45-degree light or even a 30-degree light for this, वो claws पे lights आ जाएंगी. ये बर्ड के स्टड्स पे लाइट्स आ जाएंगी. आपकी जो बर्ड के स्टड्स पे जो कलर्ड स्टोन है उस पे लाइट आ जाएगी. मैजिकल. द हाईलाइट ऑन योर रिंग, द प्लेन मेटल पार्ट इज ब्यूटीफुल ओवर हियर. समथिंग यू शुड रिटेन इन योर लाइफ. दैट्स लवली. Yeah, so this one now, for example, do you, if this one I know because the design is so beautiful, you have to hold it in your hand. So human picture should be the first picture in this one. When you go to the third and fourth picture on your Instagram, then you can have tighter shot of the bird, tighter shot of the ring, tighter shot of the meeting, upar ka, niche ka, you can keep going. But in this particular case, have the human shot first.
All right,
and Maria, one more thing I just want to ask. What if we are like, since it's a jewelry thing, so I need to cover up all the, you know, the minute things of my workmanship, and I'm taking a video. What all precautions do I need to take while taking a video?
So are you taking a video of the making of the ring with the forceps?
No. It's just that I'm wearing and I need to put it on my Instagram profile. So I'll take the video, but I don't know from which angle the video will look good. The kind of the angles, yeah.
So now the advantage of it being a video is that It is in motion. So there is no wrong angle. Okay. In a photograph, there can be a wrong angle because I didn't communicate my entire story, my entire design. In a video, you don't have, you have the advantage. So, for example, अगर आप मेरे इस ring का video ले रहे हैं, हाँ, photo में be careful, Maria, वो green correct shine कहाँ पे आ रहा है and all of that, right? Emerald का. But if it's a video, the hand can just be moving like this. Move the camera tight, move, and come here and hold, and turn around and go back. Tight video, khatam. I just have to ensure the video turns, the hand of the person that you're using moves on her body, comes up, gives me a feeling, turns around, looks like this, and comes in and stops like that. So you've given me front, side, back, everything. You've given me emotion, feeling of beauty, done all that. And don't even show the face, just show this. So somebody's hand just traveled like that and came down. Right. So with the earring, just show baal hai, baal khule, earring dikha, and she did this, and एक हाथ आया, पूरा दिख गया. लाइट तो 45 डिग्री पे है, कई जगह पकड़ ली, कई जगह नहीं पकड़ा, शाइन किया, ब्यूटीफुल ऐसा. It's a feeling. An angle, you don't have to worry because you can cover all. So just tell your model to move and keep them short. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, short.
Yeah, that's what, only short. Yeah.
Thanks, Charu. Thanks for your lovely question.
Thank you.
Maria, can we call Rahat? She's a fashion designer and she would like to ask you something. Praneeth, can we get Rahat?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Rahat. How are you?
Hi, Parul. How are you?
Good. Yeah.
Okay. So, Maria, I am a fashion designer. I run a women's wear clothing brand. And, you can't always hire models or photographers to get a photo shoot done. Like, there are always additions that have to happen in a particular collection. Yeah. So, for that, I have a few images that I'll share. Brinda, if you could share the screen.
I love the wall behind you and I love that plant. I would just put a hanger and hang the cloth.
Exactly. I mean, that's where I usually take the pictures. Yeah,
lovely.
So that's one of them. Yeah. So, I have a window against like adjacent this wall. And yeah, I mean, apart from this is something like, this is a frame that I created. And I think that the audience by now is also bored of seeing the same pictures, like the same background. And how else can I, what fun element can I add to the clothes that I'm picturing?
Okay,
Sorry?
I'll just comment on this picture. See, I'll tell you what is beautifully working, as you would be aware, is the plant and the wall texture and the shadows on it. Just ensure, because your product is your hero, don't cut the sleeve out for me. Bring it in.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that makes sense, obviously. I mean, like the focus has to be on the product.
Yeah, even if it is a quarter of an inch, just bring it in, because I like what you're doing about keeping 1/3 of the picture blank wall with just a shadow play from the window and the blinds. That is beautiful. But just bring my product in, and if you see on the collar on the left, the right side collar is smooth, the left side is not. Oh, just ensure it's spot on. Now, also, did you also put up a picture of a tighter shot of the pleats that you have with the detailing in the front? Because that's beautiful. Were you able to?
I did not actually. I did not. Like, if it's just a single picture going on the Instagram, so yeah, it's just like this shot, and then yeah, that's it.
So what we were discussing for jewelry, you can always have a carousel and have another picture. Pictures in this particularly, if I was buying it, I would be and I love those pleats, honestly. I'd be very interested in seeing how does the pleat end and merge with the other fabric when I wear it on my body. Is it a stitch on? What's going on? I'd be interested in knowing that for me to buy. And another thing, always, as you probably know, because you pay so much attention to creating it, whatever, ground rule, whatever you have taken the trouble to detail, please ensure you show me. And I'm certain, because I wear a lot of shirts, you've taken a lot of trouble to figure out how my cuff is. I need to see that.
Exactly.
You need to give me just put it on the floor, bed or on the floor, turn the sleeve over. I need a tight shot of how the button ends here, tight shot of how my cuff is, and tight shot of how that pleats merge into thing. You start detailing 3 shots you must always put for this shirt for me to be able to say, I want it.
Yeah, I get your point. That creates a story at the end, and it's more relatable for a person and more attractive for the person who's buying it. at the end of
I'm
it.
able to make that purchase online. See, because we're all moving into online right
Yeah.
now. So that is all. So all you, if you have to say, okay, that was interesting, I should take care of that. How do you decide what are your 4 shots? I'll tell you about composition later, your real question, but I think this is important. How do you decide your 4 shots? Just imagine, if I were to walk into your store in real time, I will I say, oh, nice shirt. What will I then do? I'll go closer. Maria will then look at the design in front of the pleats. Maria will look at, then what do clients do? They see the scarf, then what do clients do? They open the button and see how it fits. Then जो हर product के लिए, हर fabric के लिए, हर outfit के लिए, you have seen so many clients by now, and you have an interesting understanding that will be far better than mine on what are the 4 things that they would do once they pick the fabric in their hand before going into the room to change. वो 4 चीजें ensure we put it in the tight shots.
Yeah. So I think with me it was more like, I think, concentrating more on the aesthetic and forgetting that details also matter. So I think that's what happened here.
Details are the only, now I can't tell if it is a cotton shirt, if it's a slightly those viscose shirt. I can't really tell if it's an evening thing with a little sheen, or is it a day thing with a trouser with a denim. I can't quite tell which, by virtue of which I don't know where I'm going to wear it, by virtue of which I don't know if I want it.
All right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Fantastic. So that answers the kind of questions on how to make this.
Yeah.
Literally, baby, what you are trying to do is replicate the real life purchasing behavior. So you have to imagine that it's very easy. You just have to forget about the rules and the theories. Just have to imagine, if I was to a store, somebody walked in, वो क्या क्या हाथ लगाएगा इस पे, मैं वो चीजों की फोटो लूंगी और हर चीज से वो बदलती रहेगी, right? So we've covered that.
Yeah.
Your still question was that people have gotten bored of this thing. What do I do, right?
Yeah.
For that, I'll have to come to your house and see your house and look at all the places and see kahan pe kar
No,
sakte ho.
yeah. I mean, majorly the things that you've spoken about. So obviously that makes sense. That concentrate on the details and how the consumer might look at it, and not from the point of what makes your Instagram page look beautiful. So
this will make your Instagram page look beautiful. Also, you'll be surprised because what will happen is, honey, remember, you, from what I see your work, you have a fantastic sense of composition anyway for the photograph. So I don't think you really need me for that, because you're a designer. I can see it already in this one picture itself. It's marvelously done. So I think you will be able to explore that on your own, and your distinct feeling should be there, right? So I'm going to leave that to you. And where you say about it being beautiful, how lovely would it be when you're taking a picture of the cuff, for example, take the shirt off and hang it on the top. जैसे कपड़े उतारते हैं घर पे and we just hang it ना, तो जिस तरह से fold गिर गया, go tight on the pleats, go tight on the cuff, take it there. How lovely! I'll suddenly feel it's mine. That's
exactly. I mean, yeah, that's something I think I might not have, thought of myself. So perfect. That's one thing that the product should highlight.
Yeah, because you must understand that is the only way you will get me in to buy it. Otherwise, you're relying on a Durka feeling of your design. This one is marvelous. So you got away this time because it's just really, really good design. But let's punch it in and get the kill and get the person to click on it and buy it from us, right?
Yeah.
All the more better. Yes.
Your Instagram page will look interesting. Kabhi what you can do is now, agar isme the detailing is the beauty, this particular round thing. What if you went in tight in and took a picture of only the collar and the design half and this? Just go tight, because the pleats are the beauty. Then I can scroll over the next image and see the whole shirt. Maybe that will get me in. So you see.
Thankfully, I still haven't shared it with public. So yeah, I think right now also I can take a picture of it and those shots and then put it across. Yeah.
So some shirts, like this plain satin shirt I'm wearing, you have to hang it like this because that's all it is. But something like this entice me on the first picture with a tight shot of the thing, and I'll say, it's a collar, it's a shirt, it's got pleats. What is it? I click further, and then so your page won't look boring with only shirts, full shirts. Somewhere crops aa gaye, somewhere kuch aa gaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I mean, I think the person who's buying will be more interested in the product. So great, amazing.
Always, Daddy.
Thanks, Rahat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Maria.
Good job, darling.
Maria, there's somebody who wants to ask you a question. Can we get Reena? Reena wanted to ask something. Yeah. Oh, that's Sejal. Okay, sorry. Hi, Sejal. Sejal, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Hi, but we can't see you. Just put on your video, please.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, hi, Maria.
Yeah, there you are.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well, darling. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm into event management and organizing. I'm based out of Amritsar only, and being a startup, we haven't been able to get professional pictures clicked of our work. So my question to you was, how can I make my work look good for future clients and on my social media page as well? Since I'm not able to cover like the whole venue and all the aspects, little aspects of the decor, which I've done from my phone. So you tell me, how can I like make that work?
Can you show me some picture? Are you already on your phone?
Yeah, just a second. I think Vrinda Didi can do it. Just hold on for a bit.
What kind of events do you do?
All sorts of events. We've done anniversaries, birthdays, store launch, and one wedding as well. So we've covered around 13 to 14 events in last 4 months.
Wow.
But
COVID months?
No, not COVID months, before that.
Oh.
So say December to March. Yeah, March, mid.
Okay, that's wonderful. You're new and booming. Fabulous. So you do decor.
Yeah.
So
Decor, event planning, and organizing. Yeah.
So here, this is a Steve Madden
Store
store.
launch it was. Yeah. It's not clear.
No, I want you to tell me that in. Sorry, I lost the image. Can the image come back? Okay. Now I want you to tell me, darling, what is it that you are proud of in this? What am I supposed to look at? If I want to hire you, तो मैं क्या
Yeah.
देखूं और बोलूं कि oh, that was your detail. क्या है?
So basically, the whole decor was that we had done L shape of balloon decor on one side. It's not visible in the picture, but it was that way. So that was the, say, USP of this event, that we did the gate, kind of made a gate out of the store.
I think it's there in the नीचे वाला ना. I can see it नीचे, some balloons नीचे.
No, there aren't any balloons niche, but yeah, it's there on the other side.
Okay. Now, I've lost the image, but I'll tell you broadly, straight up. Whenever, thanks.
Here it is. Yeah.
Here it is.
So, I'll comment, just keep this image on right now for me. Thank you, Vrinda. But Sejal, in the previous image, because you have access to the venue before people come in, when I look at it, see, firstly, you must know that you're trying to showcase your work.
Yeah.
Trying to know what you when I first see it. But there are two parts to it. Firstly, you want to tell me that I did Steve Madden. It's a nice brand.
Yeah,
I got
correct.
Right? So which is why the first image is okay to give me the store where I can't see your balloons. I really can't see what you've done there, but you're telling me I've done Steve Madden. Right?
Okay.
In which case, in the photograph, when you take that photograph, you have to have no people. There are two men, one holding the other man from the back. I'm completely distracted by that. I'm only looking at his hand on the other man's back.
Yeah, correct.
So you have to ensure that you get the shot of your client. Suppose it is Steve Madden, for example, the store is there.
Perfect.
Well, now the magic of, you always see, especially in store, because we're using this as a case study for you, their ceiling is very boring. Ceiling mein wo
Correct. Yeah.
in your photograph, when you frame it, ensure ki, see, now when I sit in front of this, can't see my ceiling at the back because I tilt my camera down, so it stops right at my paintings and one lamp. It's just a composition game. So ensure that you bring your camera down so that ceiling nahi dikh raha, because usme koi story nahi hai, mujhe nahi dekha.
We did a lot of hangings from the ceiling as well, but we couldn't shoot it well from the phone.
Okay, we'll come to that. We'll do that also. We'll come now. First picture me is, Maria, I want to impress you as my client, saying I did Steve Madden. So give me a damn good picture where I can see Steve Madden logo very well. I can see the store very well. Unstable. Am I back?
Yeah, you're back. Maria,
back? Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. So your first picture, see, honey, you're saying, I want to show people I'm very, though you're new, you got a damn good client. So show me a nice picture without the roof, with the Steve Madden logo completely there, with nobody in the store. Neat store picture. Then now you've done these balloons. Now what is happening? It's looking a bit too dull because wo lights bahar se mall ke lights is pe nahi gir raha hoga properly, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So in this situation, honey, don't go tight, because I want to show expertise. I want to show the feeling. Now when you put balloons in the front, what it really does is, it's not like jewelry where the craftsmanship of putting the balloon is perfection. It's really the, oh my God, there is a celebration feeling. It's that feeling. So go back. वो celebratory feeling तब आती है, not when I'm so close to the balloons, because then I'm just walking through. The feeling comes when I'm walking by the mall and I see, oh my God, balloons are nice. How do you do it? How do you figure out where to take the picture from? Imagine I am walking down the mall. Where do I want the eye to catch? And when it catches, I'm like, oh my God, something's happening there. Wow, it looks like happiness is happening there. Balloons. कहाँ पे वो feeling आती है खड़े होके? वहाँ से लो photo.
Okay.
And then crop the other store out.
Yeah. So say can be in the starting of the showroom.
Yeah, I think I would primarily do starting the showroom, because see, in this one particularly, maybe you put balloons inside, outside. I think the magic here is that you dress the place up with these different sizes and colors of balloons, which is beautiful because Steve Madden is all about colors and the shoes are very
correct.
I like the brand sort of association you've done with it, and that's really your insight and your magic, and that you must write in your content. So when it's not about I did Steve Madden. When somebody reads it, a client of yours reads it, and this goes for the jewelry designer, it goes for the cake person, it goes for everybody, it goes for the fashion designer as well. Instagram particularly, you must remember, as much as the image is important, what you write below is what gives you traction.
Yeah, true.
So now you're telling me, yeah, correct. I actually did the colorful and different sizes because Steve Madden's like that. I'm a brand person, so I connected it and I love shoes. But if not, I had not seen your thought process for you to say, oh, she thinks like that. And she'll think like that for my brand, though I'm a furniture brand. So put your thought out.
Yeah.
The thinking behind it. The moment you put a thinking behind it, I'm like, oh, interesting. She has insights. Otherwise,
also, we can put behind the scenes, right? The work. Yeah, the progress of the work which goes behind.
Before and after. Before, during and after. Suppose you did something in 3 hours. Record time, done in 8 hours overnight. Oh, work 3 hours. Fabulous, working like this. I love my work. Then what happens? You're positioning yourself with events, because my friend has been doing 20 years of Black Knight Fashion Week, and I know how crazy it is. Nothing comes on time. Nothing happens on time. Somebody buckles at the last minute. Kuch to gadbad.
Yeah.
Put that out there as a stories in when you're writing it down. So मुझे feeling आया कि यार ये hard working है, day and night worker है, on the foot thinker है, creative है, मजा आएगा, because event made is not just about the fact that you put this out there. It's about the stuff you go through. Oh, had to go to bazaar, had to get this couriered from Bombay for it. You know, just give me those stories.
Yeah, a lot of aspects are there. The end moment changes and all of that. So yeah.
Yes, hate it, but can't love it, can't hate it, whatever. But I want to feel your personality, because your job is an energy job. You give me a static image like this, I'll say, oh, nice. Before, after, she's good. Calm, अच्छा है. But मैं आपके पास तब आऊँगी जब मुझे यार मजा आएगा.
Lovely. Maria, I'm so sorry. I'm going to cut you guys short. We're running out of time. So I would just like to give my thank yous. Thank you, Sejal. Okay, so thank you guys. What an engaging session. I think we all have taken a lot of insights from this discussion. I thank Ms. Philippose for such an engaging session and Fulkari Women of Amritsar for successfully organizing such sessions and enriching our lives. Thanks, Maria. Thank you for being there and being so beautiful and lovely. Please, guys, please join us for the next workshop of Fulkari MSME Thrive Drive on Monday, 25th May by IIDE Bombay from 5 p.m. onwards on how to set up your e-commerce store and grow it on Instagram. I promise you, you will find it equally informative and insightful. See you guys on Monday then. Thanks. Bye. Bye, Maria. Nice meeting you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, Praneeth. Thank you, Payal. Thank you for having me. Such a joy. Well done. Good job you're doing. Well done.
Thank you.